Good morning, student. We are discussing about the exercise number 3.5, in which we are going to solve the linear equation by cross multiplication. Some questions have solved in the previous online classes. Now come and try to solve question number 4. Question number 4. First part of the question number 4 is that from the pair of linear equation in the following problem and find their solution, they exist by any algebraic method. First question is not showing in this book. Now second question, second part. Second question is a pair of monthly hostel charge in fixed and remaining depends on the number of the day on has taken food in the mess. When a student taken food for 20 hours, he pay 1000 and hostel charge, whereas student B who takes food for 26 days pay 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Let fixed charge of hostel be X and charge for per day equal to y. Therefore, 80Q1 x plus 20y equal to 1000 first, and 80Q2 x plus 26y equal to 1180 now second equation. According to the condition, first condition of the question, students take food for 20 days. If y is per day, y is cost of food per day is y, for 1 day is y, then for 20 days 20y, and x is fixed charge, therefore total charge is x plus 20y and he pays 1000, therefore x plus 20y equal to 1000. Similarly, according to the second condition of the question, you will make your equation x plus 26y equal to 1180. Now, I am going to solve this equation by the cross. In this question, you are free to solve by, you are free to use any method, charge, and then I am going to solve it by cross multiplication method. X plus 20y minus 1000 equal to 0 first, x plus 26y 1180 equal to 0 second, x upon 20 26 1000 1180, y upon 1180 1 upon 1 20 and 26 according to the concept of cross multiplication. By this process you will get minus 0 0 6 minus plus 26 0 0 0, y upon minus 1000 and plus 180. 26 minus 20. Now 23,600 upon 26,000. 006 60. No. 23,600 4 and 532 and cancel out. X by 2400 equal to 1 upon 180 equal to 1 by 6. After calculation you will get, if x by 00 equal to 1 by 6, 6x is equal to 2400, x is equal to 2400 by 6 equal to 400. And if 1 by 180 equal to 1 by 6, y, then y equal to 180 by 6, that is 30. So 400 is fixed charge and 30 cost of food for 1 day equal to 30 Rs. So your answer be fixed charge is 400 and charge for 1 day equal to Rs 30. This is your answer. This is the second question of the second part of the fourth question. Now come on, question number second. Second means third. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added in denominator. Question about the fraction. Now let fraction be x upon y. Therefore 8 is equal of 1 when 1 is subtracted from numerator x minus 1 upon y, it becomes 1 by 3. By cross multiplication 3x minus 3 equal to y. Now 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 now first. And ATQ2, it becomes 1 by 4. 1 by 4 when 8 added from denominator, this is 1 by 4. 8 is added. Now by cross 4x equal to y plus 8. 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Now second equation. First is 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0 now first. Now again I am going to solve this equation by cross multiplication method. So please see here. Now x by coefficient of y and constant, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 8, minus 3. Y upon constant and coefficient of x, minus 8, minus 3, 4 and 3. 1 upon coefficient of x and y, 4, 3, minus 1, minus 1. X upon 3 minus 8 equal to y upon 24 plus 12, 1 upon minus 4 plus 3. Calculation. Now x upon minus 5 equal to y upon minus 12 equal to 1 upon minus 1. If x upon minus 5 equal to minus 1, now x equal to 5. If y upon minus 12 equal to minus 1, therefore y equal to 12. This is your solution of second part. Now your answer is, therefore fraction is x upon y, now 5 by 12. If you want to check your answer is right or wrong, then go in the first condition of the question. Subtract 1 from numerator. Numerator be 4 upon 12, that is 1 by 3. Your question is correct. Now again go in the second condition of the question. 8, added 8 in denominator, 12 plus 8, 20. 5 by 20, that is 1 by 4. That means second condition of your question be also verified. So your answer is correct. I. Now come. Third question. Yes scored 40 marks in test, getting 3 marks each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong. Has 4 marks been awarded for each correct and 2 marks been deducted from incorrect, then S would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Let S give the right question in number X and give the wrong question in number Y. Let S gives a right answer in number X and gives wrong answer in number Y. Therefore, ATQ1, he scored 40 marks, 3 marks for each right, 3x minus y equal to 40, first question, first condition. And second is 4 marks and minus 2y equal to 50, second. ATQ to Q2. Now, this equation can be written in the form of 3x minus y minus 40 equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 50 equal to 0. Now, solve it by cross multiplication method. X by minus 1 minus 2 minus 40 minus 50, y upon minus 40 minus 50, 3 and 4, 1 upon 3, 4 minus 1 minus 2. X upon 50 minus 18, y upon 3, y upon minus 160 plus 150 equal to minus 6 plus 4. Finally, your calculation go in the way x by minus 30 equal to y upon minus 10 equal to 1 upon minus 2. If x upon minus 30 equal to 1 upon minus 2, then 2x equal to 30. Now y is equal to 15. If y upon minus 10 equal to 1 upon minus 2, 2y equal to 10. Now y equal to 5. Therefore, total number of question be x plus y, 15 plus 5, that is 20. Total number of the question be equal to 20. So student, you can solve your problem. 2 questions be remaining in this exercise for you. Fourth part and fifth part of question number 4. Try to read, try to diagnose the question, try to make the equation and solve it by any method, any algebraic method, just like substitution method, just like elimination method and cross multiplication method, as you like. No foundation, but problem is how can you prepare your equation according to the condition of question. It's your talent. Like this, first of all, read your question, be carefully. Then find the condition. After that, consider variable x, y, and put into the condition of the question, and you will get your equation system. And when you have prepared your equation system, then you solve it. So I hope that you will try to solve it. If you will do it, then it is very good. Otherwise, I will solve the next problem in the next video. I stop this topic here. Okay, thank you.